Hello, everyone. It's Mrs. Salzsieder, and tonight I'm going to read Bird Boy by Matthew Burgess, illustrated by Shahzad Maidani. This is the month where all third graders received supplies courtesy of the Chilton PTA. Next month, March 25th, all fourth graders will receive the supplies, and I hope to see you in person on April 22nd here at the library. April 22nd is part of Screen Free Week. I hope you'll also sign up for that. Bird Boy. Nico was nervous walking the path to class alone with a backpack full of stones. That's how it felt. Nico was new, so when everybody knew what to do and where to go, he was left, well, a little lost. But there were other things to do besides sports and standing in huddles whispering, such as watching the insects crossing a crack in the blacktop like climbers over a mountain pass. Or sitting in the grass like a statue with the sun on your face until one bird hopped toward him, waiting with shining eyes and a side curved head. One bird, then two, word had spread, and flutter, swoop, whistle, chirp. That's how Nico became known as Bird Boy. Nico knew when somebody was making fun of him, and yes, it hurt his feelings, but he turned the name over in his mind a few times and smiled. It surprised him too. Bird Boy. Soon, Nico imagined himself as an eagle soaring over a forest, and a penguin diving off an iceberg into freezing aquamarine waters. He became a hummingbird hovering amid the nectar-filled flowers, a pelican with wide open wings crossing the edge of the coastline, and a great green-winged macaw piercing the dusk with her calls. Not right away, but soon, Nico made one friend. Then two. They were drawn to Nico's kindness, the wild flights of his imagination, and the way he could be both a bird and completely, delightfully himself. Nico no longer felt nervous at recess or walking the path to class alone. In fact, sometimes he felt just a few flaps away from liftoff. Be who you want to be. Don't let anyone stop you. That was Bird Boy, written by Matthew Burgess and illustrated by Shahzad Maidani. Again, thanks to our sponsor, the Chilton PTA. They have provided the funds to purchase our materials tonight and every month. Send any photos of you with your completed Lego bird to library@chiltonsd.org. And here's what your supplies came in: a little paper bag, again with a Zoom link, and one of these cute birds. Which one did you get? I got the sparrow up in the upper left-hand corner. So, in order to make it, you open up your box, separate out your pieces into colors and sizes and shapes, and then you follow the directions one layer by one layer until you come up with your bird. So I hope you enjoyed Bird Boy. I sure did. And please, if you haven't yet, sign up for the next Create and Read evening, which will be March 25th and all fourth graders again will get the supplies without signing up. Good night.